What's going on, Poker Maniac TFP, back to you with another video. And in this video, we'll be unboxing the bicycle magic carpet cards and the bicycle frosted cards. Now I have a deck, I don't know if it's similar to this, but the other deck was called Frost, and if I find it, I'll do a comparison of the two. It's somewhere around my house or somewhere. I'll just have to find it in another video. But let's check out the magic carpet cards first. I was just in Walmart and came across these cards, so I just decided to pick them up. So let's get right to it. It's been a while since I opened up some card decks. You can tell I'm kind of new. No, I'm not new, but it's been a while. Jeez. Alright. I don't know why, but I always like to keep that for some reason. That is, if I don't totally butcher it. But, oh well. So, we got it open. Or not. Now we got it open. See what they look like. Wow. Oh my goodness. I was not expecting that. I was not expecting the back to be like that. It's pretty dope. They feel really good in the hand, bro. Like, they feel good, feel sleek. It's got a different tone to them. The red is kind of like a off tint red. It's pretty dope. Look at the ace of spades. You know, you always gotta look at the ace of spades in decks of cards. That's pretty dope. Let's look at the jokers. Jokers are the same standard bicycle jokers. You got the colored one right here, and you got the black one right there. Let's look at what the aces look like. Ace of diamonds. You got the king, queen, jack, regular. They look pretty good. The backs are kind of cool. Let me see the king of spades. They look pretty nice. They feel really good in the hand, man. They're like really slick, super slick. They got a blank card. You can do magic tricks with these. It's pretty dope. I got one deck. I think it's the ghost deck where the ace of clubs is revealed on the joker, one of the jokers. Let's get a blackjack hand real quick. 8, 8, 16. We're gonna split these. We got 11. We're gonna double down. 17, 12. We're gonna hit 17, 9. What's that? I cannot count. 13, 16. All that. 21. 8, 12, 19, 21. Next card is gonna be definitely a face card. No? Or not. Guess you gotta shuffle them. But yeah, man, these are dope. You know what I'm saying? Do a nice little... I suck at that now, man. I used to be better at the fan. It's pretty dope, man. See, the 8 of hearts, put it in the deck like that, ripple it up, 8 of hearts, back. So those are the magic carpets. Pretty nice. Got the back, I don't know if you can see that. pretty dope. Got bad lighting in here. Let's see if the top card is a face card. Nope. There's a Joker. Alright, those are the magic carpet cards. Now we're gonna move on to the frosted cards. I hope that I'm blown away by them. Put that back in there. Let's open these. Oh yeah, and if you can get your hands on the stargazers, bicycle stargazers, those are nice, dude. Really like the feel of those are very super nice. And the look of them is pretty cool. You know, I got problems opening these cases. This is probably like the worst unboxing of cards ever. But who cares? But I bought 4 decks to do 4-deck blackjack, so might get it done today. Who knows? But let's take a look at the bicycle frosted cards. Ooh, they look pretty dope. Just the back. When you do this in front of people who don't really handle cards very well, it looks nice. Like that little spread right there. Let's see if we can pick an ace. Nope. Couldn't do it. But anyway, these look pretty cool. Let's look at the faces. It's the Joker, Ace of Spades. I'm not really a fan of that symbol. I mean, it's like a castle or whatever. It's pretty dope. The blue Joker is pretty cool. Ace of Diamonds, King of Spades. See, with these compared to the Frost cards, you can actually see the suits. On the Frost cards, it was kind of hard to see the suit. Diamonds look like hearts and clubs look like spades. But these are pretty nice. They're alright. They remind me of the fire cards. I forgot what they're called, like the fire deck or something like that. They shuffle pretty good. They seem like they would tear over time, like get rusted out or whatever. Like kind of get torn around the edges, but we'll see over time. 17 we lose. 10, we're gonna double down. 13. We lost. 12, we're gonna hit. 16, we're gonna stay. 12, 13, 2 men. Stay. 14, 21, or 19. But yeah, man, these are pretty dope. I don't know if you can check your local Walmart and probably pick them up. Tell me what you think. Tell me what you like about the frosted cards or the magic carpet card. So please hit that subscribe button and stay tuned for the next video. I appreciate you watching.